Industry's Plume, written by David Baresch. Industry's plume over London it rose, and the sun was lost to a weight of clouds, clouds of choke, adrift, no sound, and the air the colour of chemical brown. For this the age of the industrial crown, and a rain of production in ash pours down, and to see such smoke in flow, in stalk, traversing over the blackened stones, 'tis as if nature herself had set to frown on humanity's need to chimney towns. And here to take a breath, 'tis but an invite for a writhing. Industry's plume, Industry's plume, Industry's plume, Industry's plume.